Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, and let me show you how to turn on and off camera shutter sound at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so let me take a photo. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's go to right corner button so we can get access to more options about camera we can manage. Now let's move to left side and tap to settings to open them, and here we have to slide down to general category to find shutter sound at the third place. So by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off or turn it on as we need. Now let me keep it turned off when we move back to camera, and when I take another picture we can't hear anything. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.